As terrific as Bud's enclosures are out of the carton, you typically can't use a box without modifications, as you need cutouts for components and cables, you need standoffs for internal mounting, you need custom internal panels, or possibly digital printing of logos on the cover for branding or labeling. Typically, if you wanted it fast, you went to the guy in the back or down the street who can cut holes. What he can't do is ensure that they are cut to your needed tolerance, ensure that the right cutting fluids are used, that they don't etch the metal or, worse, cause degradation of the plastic. And he cannot ensure that you can still utilize the UL sticker in the box because he's not likely to be a UL-approved site. If you go to other enclosure manufacturers, you will probably be waiting at least 6 weeks for modifications. This does not even include the time to build the box. Now you can get your modified product produced by Bud in as little as 1 week after drawing approval. That's as quick as the local job shop with the accuracy and quality that only an enclosure manufacturer like Bud Industries can provide. We guarantee the product will be produced properly with state-of-the-art robotics and equipment. We can do as little as a one-piece run, although there are minimum costs. Our competitors require as much as a minimum of 100 pieces. We know that sometimes to prove a design, you need that prototype run, and we are here to help. We guarantee that it will be produced on time every time because we care. Bud is nearly a 100-year-old company that is still family-owned and run. That's why you have the ability to talk with all levels of our company to help you find and create the correct modified enclosure that doesn't force you to choose between speed, quality, and certification. When you need it done right and you need it done fast at a great price, reach out to Bud. Feel free to contact our sales team at 440-946-3200 or by using the chat on our website.